What coins are going to survive the bear market? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. And now let's jump straight into the video. A lot of people have been asking me, bro, what are you buying right now? What coins are going to survive this bear market? Being completely honest, no one knows. Personally, I was averaging into Ethereum over the last couple of months, but now I'm stopping. Also, I personally believe that it is still too early to be dollar cost averaging into coins, especially altcoins. Right now, there's a ton of influencers, ton of YouTubers, TikTokers giving you their top 5, top 10 coins that are going to survive the bear market. In my opinion, they're simply naming random coins to get some views. Personally, I'm not touching anything right now. I believe this is just the beginning of the bear market, and the coins that they're mentioning in their videos are going to go even lower, probably 30 to 80% lower than the current prices. I personally believe this bear market is going to be very different, especially compared to the previous bear markets that we had. Right now, there's extreme fear in the market. Also, a lot of uncertainty, especially with regulations. 8-9 months ago, when Bitcoin was above 60,000, Ethereum was 4,500, everyone was begging to see Bitcoin at 30,000, at 25,000, at 20,000, and Ethereum at $1,000. But as the price kept falling, more and more people kept exiting the space. When Bitcoin fell down to 40,000, people started leaving. 30,000, even more people started leaving. And now Bitcoin is barely at $22,000. Ethereum is barely at $1,000. And more people are leaving the space. Normally people sell their high risk altcoins and they put everything into Bitcoin and Ethereum. But lately, everyone has been selling. The people that pretty much sold their altcoins went into Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're selling and they're going into stable coins. But get this, more and more people are literally selling their stable coins and going back to cash. Over the last couple of days, the market cap of USDT and USDT has been decreasing big time, simply because people are more afraid to keep crypto and even stable coins. Normally, Bitcoin is a safe long-term play, and stable coins are considered even safer. But now, people do not feel comfortable holding stable coins. They rather hold hard-earned cash. And in my opinion, that is definitely not a good sign. But that is the market we are in right now. Stable coins right now are considered risky, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Especially right now with the collapse of Terra Luna, with the collapse of Celsius Network. That is just the beginning, guys. There's going to be a lot more exchanges, a lot more big projects going to zero. This is just the start. And in my opinion, right now, it's still not a good time to start dollar cost averaging into any altcoin, probably just Bitcoin as of right now. But in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to go even lower. I know a lot of people like, yo, this is the bottom, 25,000 is the bottom, 22,000 is the bottom. But in my opinion, Bitcoin is going to head lower to 15,000, to 13,000, to 10,000. I believe the true bottom is going to be around $8,000. And the same goes for Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is going to go to 800, to 500, to 200, to under $100 per Ethereum. I know a lot of people watching this video are like, bro, that is impossible. Bitcoin will never be $8,000. Ethereum will never be $100. But right now, the whole crypto space is very correlated with the stock market. And I believe the stock market has just begun bleeding. There's so much uncertainty right now and a lot of risk. Inflation is heading higher. There's no sign of a peak. The real estate bubble is getting ready to burst literally any moment. Stocks are crashing. There's literally so much turmoil all over the world. The whole Russia-Ukraine situation, prices of gas are skyrocketing, and they'll probably be around $8 to $10 once this whole thing settles down. This bear market is not going to be like all the other bear markets. Before, crypto was unique. It didn't follow anything. It didn't follow the stock market at all. But this time around, it is directly correlating. And I believe that will cause this bear market to be way worse than the previous bear markets that we have experienced. One other thing that I would like to mention is right now there's a lot of big institutions, a lot of big hedge funds, a lot of bots running the entire crypto space. It's not like before when regular people were pumping and dumping. Right now it's big institutions and big money with AI bots that are pretty much controlling the entire bear market. Personally, I believe this bear market is going to be the shortest one that we have experienced so far. But I believe it will be the fastest crash down that we have ever seen in crypto. But it will not last 2-3 years like everyone is predicting. Right now, the big institutions are in, hedge funds are in, big money is in. They have nothing to gain when the market crashes and it stays flat for the next 2-3 years. I believe this bear market is going to be very short and brutal. So as of right now, I'm simply stacking up on cash and waiting for crypto to go even lower before I start buying in. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. Remember, the coins that these influencers are picking to survive this bear market, they're just naming random coins and talking out of their behind. No one knows what coins will survive. The only safe bet, in my opinion, is probably Bitcoin. Everything else I'm not touching until the real bear market gets here and prices go down even more. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.